pretty hazy this morning. Can't even see the mountains. I got a new SpongeBob sunshade. It kind of sort of fit, but it's pretty cool.
Now, what do you do next?
Floor it?
Yes. No, no, don't floor it.
Floor it?
No, 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 don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
No.
So yeah, I think I need to keep this interior pretty cool, because usually it's hot as hell. When I first got this car, I wanted it to be a project car, but it's just gonna be my daily, so I'm gonna keep it stock pretty much. I'm not gonna do no tune or nothing crazy like that. Just little things. Eventually though, I still want to get an EG and build that from like scratch. All right guys, just got off work. Tomorrow there's a big car show, I guess, at the convention center here in Albuquerque, and it's gonna be a lot of like show cars, you know, stance cars and stuff like that. So today, which is Saturday, they're doing a pre-meet for that show is tomorrow. So it's like a hard park meet, so we're gonna stop by, see what cars is there. Look like it's about to rain though. I just got off, walking to the car. Had a long day today. Depending on work, I can't make it to the car show tomorrow. I'm gonna have to see how my schedule will work out tomorrow. I may attend, I may not, I don't know. Gotta see. So I'm gonna get some gas, then I'm gonna head home, pick Michelle up, and then we'll head out to the meet. It's cool because the meet is by a go-karting track stuff, so I think some people there are probably gonna use the go-kart and stuff like that. We're probably not. We're just gonna go there, stop by, see what's. All right, me and Michelle, we're ready to go to get something to eat first, and then we're gonna head to the meet.
My chest. I was trying to rub my tummy. I'm all like,
She over here greedy.
I'm so hungry.
So it's around, what time is it, like 8:40ish or something like that?
It's beautiful outside.
It is. It's like what, 75 degrees. It's cool. It's chilly. Should be a nice drive with the SI.
Look at my little feet.
So I got my Vans on. She got hers. Mine's all dirty. Hers are clean. So mine's is how it shouldn't look.
Supposed to look.
Those are how they're supposed to look, and this is how they shouldn't look.
First of all, Vans look better when they're dirty.
Exactly.
Mine don't look right.
That's why mine is dirty. So we're stopping at Five Guys before we head to the meet. I smoked mine. She's trying to finish up her burger. I destroyed my burger. We're just trying to kill these fries. But Charlie got the Cajun fries, and they gave it this mad Cajun, whatever, majiggy. All right, we just finished eating. We're about to head to the meet now. In the meantime, we're gonna do some, probably gonna drop you guys a time lapse on our way over there on the GoPro.
Starting now.
All right, so we here. It looks like they playing some volleyball, something like that. But it's not that much cars here. There's a little bit of cars here, but it's pretty chill. So this color in SI is like a pretty rare color. Was looking for this, but you can't find it. Habanero red or something like that. All right, so my phone is dying. You guys not gonna be able to see anything, but look how low this one is. This is the SI. I think an 8 Gen with the JDM front end. And look at mine. Monster trucking it right now. All right, so we about to roll out. I guess everybody left early, whatever. There's like little clicks here, but it's like, you know, a good handful of cars. That's pretty much it. So I guess we about to just roll out, head to the Casa.
Yep.
All right, we have the SI parked, and we are heading to Walmart because
We're getting
that
bungee
was cute.
cords. You're cute.
Bungee cords. We're getting something for. No, it is a bungee cord.
Oh.
But we're getting something for tomorrow's project.
When I said bungee cord, I was thinking of like jumping, like
Yeah.
a bungee. Oh.
This one doesn't even work.
I don't think we're. Can we go something when I said?
So we're
bungee
back in this
cord?
Walmart again. We were just in here in the last episode. We're getting something for tomorrow's project, but you guys are gonna see that in tomorrow's episode. So stay tuned for that. Oh no, those are what the hell? No, that's like holes. We can't find bungee cords. We don't know what section they were looking for this. I think. Oh, bingo.
Oh.
We got random kids in here just wilding out. You seen Scrap? So, yeah, here we go. So we just need 2. So we get 2 cheap ones.
What? How much? How long though?
So we got 2 bungees. And since we're here, we're gonna look for socks for myself. So, oh, they got kids in here just falling off bikes, riding bikes. Like, I don't know what's going on in here. Like late night in Walmart, I don't know what happens.
They have like no socks.
I'm wilding. So I came here. I don't know why I'm in Walmart looking for Nike socks. They don't sell Nike socks here, unless I'm missing something out. But I could swear they don't sell Nike socks here. Alright, we made it back home. We didn't get the socks, but we got the bungee cords. That's pretty much for today's video. We didn't expect to be at that meet for so short, but it was pretty dead. So you know, it is what it is. Today's episode is pretty short, but tomorrow's episode is gonna be really fun. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode.
Goodbye.